Integrating the fake search. Second Sight has the ability to redirect a spectator's phone to another website. This means that when you use Second Sight to scan a tag, then you can have the spectator's phone redirect to the nominated website. Typically, this is presented as a prediction, whereby the performer borrows a spectator's phone to create a prediction, and then hands the phone back to the spectator. In the following example, we are going to configure the tag for Al Pacino, and redirect the spectator's phone to a Wikipedia page on Al Pacino. First of all, we need to configure the fake search. You only need to configure the fake search once. Go into the Settings menu, and then select Integrations. From here, select the search option. You will notice that we have a choice of google.co and google.org. At the end of the search URL, you will notice a 4-digit number. In my case, my unique 4-digit user ID is 1185. Every Unifi user is assigned their own, unique, 4-digit code. You can use this code to go directly to your dedicated fake Google site, alternatively you can use the keyword pairing option. I particularly like the keyword pairing option, as it allows me to go to google.co, in full view of the spectator. Once I am on what appears to be Google, I enter my keyword, in this example, my name. This is what binds the spectator's phone to my fake search. You may have up to 4 keywords, and all keywords must be unique to every Unifi user. This is very cool. The spectator gets to watch the performer enter everything into their phone. There is no need to hide any of the typing. This is what makes this effect so convincing. The next step is to tell the Unifi app that once you scan the tag, you want to push the URL to the spectator's phone. You have a couple of options here. You could assign a button on the thumper to send the URL to the spectator's phone, so you can manually control when the update will occur. But, to keep things simple, we are setting this up to be fully automated. Go to the Settings menu and select Devices. Now select Second Sight, then select the Automated Integrations menu and enable the Send to Search option. Don't worry about the other options at the moment, they are in case you want to send the information to other revelation systems such as thermal printers, time prediction devices, etc. At the moment we are just interested in the fake search. The final stage now is to program the tag with the information. Go back to the Second Sight menu and select Write RFID tags. We are just going to set up a basic tag configuration here. For the description, I am Al Pacino. The description is used for the text-to-speech announcement, so when the tag is scanned, my Bluetooth earpiece will announce Al Pacino. You can have up to 32 characters of information here, so potentially you could include additional information such as their date of birth, partner's name, etc. All this is conveyed to you via text-to-speech, so you seem to know everything about the selected person. Now, I am just going to grab the web address of the Al Pacino Wikipedia page, and cut and paste this into the search URL. Finally, I am going to assign an image of Al Pacino, which will appear both on the iPhone and on the Apple Watch. Now, we are all set. We then borrow a spectator's phone. Watch carefully as I enter to the www.google.co. Did you notice what happened when I entered google.co?
I am actually typing www.goog, a funny L, then e.co.
The funny L is the secret here. By pressing and holding the L key on the keyboard, I am actually selecting a West Slavic letter that looks very similar to the English L character. It is important to have the spectator to your right, so that your thumb covers the slide as you are entering the web address. Now, I just search for my keyword. In my case, it is my name, and I make a joke about how much Google knows about everyone. Now that everything is all set up, watch what happens when we scan the tag of Al Pacino. You can see the spectator's phone is redirected to the Al Pacino Wikipedia page, and the Apple Watch updates with the selected tag.